Mom-made food does not have a match, and this Punjabi Paneer Paratha recipe by mom is a winner all through. For this recipe, you need to mix paneer, kasuri methi, and onion. Such simple ingredients give a blast of flavor, don't believe me? Watch this video until the very end, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Ravneet Bhalla's recipes. Add jeera powder, coriander powder, ajwain or caron seeds, black pepper powder. You may add garam masala too, salt to taste. Green chilli goes in. Mix well. And now you need roti dough, simple roti dough for making paneer paratha, healthy paneer paratha recipe. Make roti dough, roll it out, and then add the paneer filling. It's such a simple paneer filling and it's such a simple recipe that you will surely fall in love with. Close all ends, roll it in the dry flour so that you can roll it out with the rolling pin easily so that the paneer paratha does not break. Roll out thick is one tip or trick that my mom follows all through. Keep it a little thick and then place on a hot skillet or iron tawa. Flip. It will cook just like the normal parantha, and my mom makes the best ajwain parantha, which is also known as the plain parantha. And each and every parantha of her, the ajwain parantha, puffs. Now smear ghee or oil, your choice, and then fry. My mom applies ghee only on one side. It's your choice if you want to apply it on both sides. But the parantha tastes so yum even if she applies oil or ghee only on one side. I'll post her ajwain parantha with tips and tricks to making your simple plain parantha puff every single time. Enjoy Punjabi Paneer Paratha with dahi just like Punjabis, or little amount of butter or even malai. I enjoyed it even with green chilli or mirchi ka achar made in vinegar. It's yum. Do try it out. I hope you enjoyed this simple paneer paratha recipe. If you did, please stay tuned for more healthy recipes.